Hello grade 7 students, how's you all? I hope you all are very well at your home, right? Yes students, welcome back to our computer class. Okay, and students, before summer vacation we complete our two chapter. The first chapter is number system and second chapter is Excel as a database. So in today's class we start our new chapter, that is advanced features of Excel. So let's begin our chapter, okay, with the help of slides. And students, this is practical chapter, so please try to do in a practical way also. Okay, let's start. Yes students, we start the chapter advanced features of Excel. So firstly we will start what is chart and what are the components of chart, and after that we will learn what are the different type of chart in Excel. So let's start. To understand the topic, see the picture first. You are watching a chart on the screen. This chart is describing the marks of different students. The students are A, B, C, D and E. The marks are out of 20. To see the picture, you are able to tell who is scoring the highest marks in English. Yes, of course, it is B. In the same way, the question is who has scored the lowest marks in English, that is E. So easily you are able to define the answer. A chart is a better way to represent the data in a form of graphics. Yes students, according to the definition of a chart is a graphical or pictorial representation of numerical data. This is a graphical or pictorial representation of numerical data. See here in the picture. What is the numerical data here? Marks of English out of 20 is a numerical data. But here we not get the actual marks value but near to the marks value. For example, the marks of A between 8 and 10. Here you see many things like bars, some lines, boxes, head, heading. What are these? These are the actually various components of charts. So let's learn about various component of chart. Yes students, there are 9 components of chart. Let us understand them one by one. First is chart area. A chart area that include all the objects and elements in a chart. So a chart area which covers the whole chart portion. Here the chart area you can see all the marks, student heading areas is called chart area. Next is value axis and category axis. Value axis and category axis are the axis in the horizontal axis of chart, and value axis is y axis is the vertical axis of the values. Okay. The vertical axis, a chart where values are plotted, are called value axis, like 0 to 20, and in category axis A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Now what is data series? A data series are the bars, slices or other element that represent the data values. Like see here, bar is here in red color and in blue color. Now next is axis titles, okay, or category name, both are the same. So what is axis titles? These are the headings given to the x-axis and the y-axis. The titles help to understanding what is being depicted on the axis. Here the names on the category is called category names. Okay students, so next is plot area. What is plot area? The plot area is the window within a chart area. It contains the actual chart and include the plotted data, data series, categories and value axis. Okay. Now in the right side, see here, legend is there. Legend is the small rectangular box. Okay. Here see that the blue color is indicating the marks of English and the red color is indicating the marks of Hindi. The legends are called the small boxes that depict the colors, patterns and symbols that assign to the data series like English and Hindi. Okay. Next is chart title. It describes the aim and content of the chart. Now I will tell you about different type of charts. There are different type of chart around us. On the screen you can see the pictures of chart. First is column chart, second is bar chart, then line chart, pie chart, area chart and so many charts are there in the Microsoft Excel. Let us learn about each of them one by one. First is column chart. Column chart is used, the bar display the values. In the column chart, values are placed on the y-axis and the categories are placed on the x-axis. Okay, but in the bar chart, the categories are plotted on the y-axis and the values are plotted in the x-axis. Okay, the both bar chart and the column chart are used to comparison between two objects. Okay students, clear to all? Yes. So next is line chart. What is line chart? That is used for data equal amount of time. Like here 1 to 0, 2 to 0, 3 to 0, 4 to 0, 5 to 0, 6 to 0, so many. Okay. So a line chart that is used for data equal amount of time. You can on the x-axis the value which are here are the time values in the seconds. Okay, and on the y-axis another set of values that are plotted that are present speed meter per second. Okay students? Yes. The area chart is showing the bars between two countries in different years. See here, the two countries are United States and USS Russia. Okay students, so what is pie chart? A pie chart shows the value in the form of slice. Okay, now you can see the diagram. See here, legend are depict the colors of different parties. If we want to show data in a percentage, then we use pie chart. Okay students, or for example, if we want to know how we get the highest number of votes, then we also use pie chart. Yes students, these charts help us to read and understand numerical complex value in a very easy or in a form of picture. Okay students, now I will tell you how to create a chart. Now I will tell you how to create a chart. Yes students, see here, there are some data on the spreadsheet. Okay, name, English, Hindi, math, science and computer marks. Okay, and the names are A, B, C, D and E. Now I will tell you how to create a chart with this data. Yes students, see here, these are some data on the spreadsheet. Let us insert chart on the basis of these data. For this, for inserting a chart, firstly we have to select the range which is converting the actual data with the headings. See here, I select all the data including headings. Now you can see the selecting heading also. Now click to the insert tab first. Here you see the chart group. Yes students, in a insert tab there are different type of charts are there, like column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, so many charts are there. Select the desired chart. There are various charts. Few of them I explained you earlier. Many charts are also here. So select any of chart. Okay. And after that, here you will see you have a subtype also, like in a column chart 3D columns are also there, cylindrical are also there, cone type of also there, pyramid of also there. So different type of subtype is also there. Likewise, I have select the column chart. Now in some seconds the chart is in front of you. See here, chart is in front of you. You can adjust the size of the chart according to you. Okay. So how you can adjust the size of the chart? For this, you have to pressing the mouse pointer to the corner of the chart area and dragging into inside or outside. Okay. So let us adjust it to the proper location. Yes, student, we can this chart to the proper location on the right side. Yes, students, in any chart, firstly you have to look at the legends. The legends is A, B, C, D and E, which are different students of class. They are represented by the different colors. In this chart, category axis is here like 0, 50, 100. Okay, and the subject is here is the value axis is here of 0, 50 and 100 in the form of x-axis, and in the categories are there like computer, science, mathematics, Hindi and English in the form of y-axis. Okay, students. Yes. Yes, students, you see there maximum marks was 20. When you select the particular bar, it will show you the marks of students also. Okay, students, this is our chart area. Okay, so I hope the component of chart and this type of chart is clear to all. So in the next video, I will tell you how to formatting in a chart. Okay. Yes, students, today we covered the topic that is chart and what are the different type of components and different type of charts. So I hope these topics are clear to all. Yes, students, so in the next class we do the other topic of this chapter. Okay, students, and please do your study and enjoy your day. Thank you, students.